Dodge just made an EV that can do burnouts, scream louder than a Hellcat, and hit 60 faster than your favorite supercar. Say hello to the Charger Daytona EV, where muscle meets madness. It's loud, fast, and 100% electric. Here are the top 5 facts that make the Dodge Charger Daytona EV a legend in the making. Number 1. It's the world's first EV that wants to be loud. Who said EVs have to be silent? The Charger Daytona EV comes equipped with a high-tech exhaust system that doesn't just hum. It roars at 126 decibels, louder than a Hellcat, and just as wild. That's as loud as a jet engine at takeoff. It's not just for fun. It's there to keep that muscle car drama alive, because Dodge knows muscle fans want their cars to growl, not purr. Number 2. It's electric, but built like a muscle car, not a laptop. Most EVs are designed like tech gadgets, minimalist and smooth. The Daytona EV? It's angry, sharp, and bold. Big grille, wide stance, and the signature R-wing up front. It looks like it eats Priuses for breakfast. Number 3. 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. That's faster than most supercars. The top Banshee version is faster than almost any street-legal gas car ever made. You could literally beat a Lamborghini off the line with your groceries in the trunk. Built on 800V architecture, performance targets rival Dodge Hellcat, and more. Number 4. You might drive it all week without charging. With an expected range of 500+ miles, this EV isn't just fast, it's got stamina. That's enough to drive from New York to Pittsburgh on one charge. No range anxiety, no stress. Built on Stellantis SDLA large platform, designed for high range and power. Great for people who still fear getting stuck with a dead EV battery. Number 5. Dodge kept the burnout button. Yes, it still does burnouts. Dodge literally added a donut mode and drift mode for fun driving. While other EV brands are focused on being quiet and clean, Dodge said, let's make it do smoky donuts in a parking lot. Dodge CEO confirmed they kept driver-focused fun features alive. Makes EVs look cool to muscle car lovers, not just tech fans. Bonus mic drop fact. The Charger Daytona EV is basically a remix of 1969 muscle with 2030 tech. It doesn't replace the past, it resurrects it, supercharges it, and makes it future-proof.